You're in the driver's seat. Remember what we practiced in training. A quick run, 2 and then back. Let's go out there and take the next round.
Keep your hands up and protect that base of yours. You're getting hit with some good shots, but you're also landing some big...
Both corners know how crucial this round is. We're entering a critical phase of the fight. He needs to watch on his stamina. He's hurt. Great punch. Power. Solid defense. Nice jab. Come on, stay on him. The tides of needles on this. Heavier shots landed, but still anyone's fight.
You're in the driver's seat. Remember what we practiced in training. A quick run, 2 and then back. Let's go out there and take the next round.
Keep your hands up and protect that base of yours. You're getting hit with some good shots, but you're also landing some big...
Who's ready to go? And here's another clean shot that lands. He felt that. What a punch. Don't let him get inside. What a shot. That's the jab. Hard shot from the clinch. Oh, there it is. He came in swinging for the fences and nailed it. Let's take a look at the replay.